everybody, Iceman50 here. So I've been trying for the last couple of days to make a moto vlog, but every time I get home, here. So yeah, this TRS to TRRS adapter I think was giving me problems. I pulled everything out of my helmet, and I was like, please don't let it be the GoPro mic adapter. Those things are expensive. They're like $47. And a lot of people have been complaining about the mic jack, the 3.5mm jack. I don't think mine's suffering from that. It's literally the adapter to go from 4-pin to 3-pin. So I ordered a couple of replacements, and I stole one off of Trevor's helmet so that I could get it working. But man, what a pain in the ass, you know. And it's overpriced garbage, in my opinion. You know, it's you know, what happened to them being $7-8? The thing is just, it's crap. I don't know. I mean, it's better than the media mod, which I had, and that thing is $70, and because I stopped using that. The audio wasn't very good. But the mic adapter works, but I wish it was $7-8. But so what I did is I ordered a few extra of these TRS to TRRS adapters, and I'll put some video in here of me testing the helmet. Well, not the helmet, but the GoPro with the audio and everything, and you can see I think I solved the issue. That's why I said I ordered a few more off of Amazon. Be here in another couple of days. But yeah, I tried to shoot 2 or 3 moto vlogs, and it wasn't happening. So, but all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy. All right, we're trying it with a different TRS adapter, spinning it. This is the different one that I have, up, down, left, right, moving around, wiggling the cable. I think this is where the problem is. It might not be my, might not be my adapter, the GoPro adapter. It might be just this TRRS adapter. All right, let's try this. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Is the adapter working? Everything sound good? All right, let's try that out and see what happens. Now, I've got a couple of adapters coming. I bought some little bit higher quality ones, so I'm hoping it's not the GoPro adapter, that it's just the plug end. I don't even know. I thought I was using one from Purple Panda, but the TRRS adapter, but maybe not. So I got a couple more to try. I stole this one off of Trevor's helmet, so we'll try this for the moment and see what happens. All right, we'll see you guys. Easy.